妈！
The boss says we need to pivot, but you take everything literally.
NANI?!
The 1920s called and they want their silent film star back, but he is too busy enjoying this snack. You and your best friend both agreed to pull. When you tell your cat the moth is on the ceiling and he actually tries to. Your human says the treats are on the top shelf, but you skip leg day and have to rely on pure structural chaos to reach them.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Let go! Let go! Let go! Oh my...
You realize the void isn't just staring back, it's planning your demise. This is the last thing I saw before. The cat saw a shopping bag and decided to choose violence. You try to make the bed, but your cat thinks you are summoning a portal to the shadow realm. He saw things. He saw everything. You think you have everything under. The instructions said.
Huh? 哎呦我的妈！
You can't decide between a leopard print dress or a Dalmatian, so you just decide to be the leader of the entire. Your dog realizes the ground is freezing, but the call of nature is non-negotiable, so he switches to handstand mode to minimize surface contact. Your dog thinks he is a majestic eagle, but physics reminds him he is. You order a high-tech VR headset from a questionable website. Top 10 photos taken seconds before disaster. My bathroom is about to look like a winter wonderland for all the wrong reasons. Your friends tell you to act natural because your crush is walking by, but both of you immediately forget how to use your legs. The exact moment the Christmas spirit and the Zoomies collide to create a domestic whirlwind. You are trying to look cool for the internet, but your cat is literally the main character of your life. Note to self: do not attempt to shuffle with a fluffy speed bump in the room. Just a man, his pajamas.
Look, see? It's alright. It's all good.
My cat has been staring at the hallway for 10 minutes and now I am currently looking for a new house because this one. dog decides it is time to take out the trash and realizes the trash is just a smaller version of himself. Convinced the golden retriever is actually just a furry bouncer and the little guy is being evicted for unpaid. You are 90% liquid but still 100% lazy. Why walk down the stairs when you can simply evaporate and flow to the bottom floor? Gravity is doing all the work while this cat is just living its best slinky life. Proceed with caution because the floor is officially lava and the cat is officially a puddle.
My baby.
I am?
And ain't nobody finna touch me.
You try to act casual at the vet but your internal GPS is screaming recalculating every 3 seconds. When the dog starts praying, you know your parallel parking is about to be a disaster. You finally hit the high note in the shower but then remember your neighbors can hear everything. Calculation is simple. I stare at the hand. I wait for the dramatic pause. I provide the paw. Now where is You are 100% dog but the door is only Scientists finally found the missing link between the apex predator and the indoor loaf and it really wants your chicken nuggets. I have never seen it. You're trying to be the main character but the floor is lava and your social anxiety just kicked in. You're trying to enjoy your snack in peace but your shadow is judging every single life choice you've ever made.
What the hell?
He definitely has a personal savings account and you are not on the authorized list. When your cat has more liquidity than you do. Your human forgets to buy litter so you have to improvise and hope you do not fall in. Your alarm goes off at 6 a.m. but your stuffed animal is the only one who understands that we are not doing this today.